Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, you are going to see about how to install Jenkins in Linux. Jenkins is a self-contained Java-based program ready to run out of box with a package of Windows, Mac OS, and Unix-like operating system. For installing Jenkins, first I am going to check the version of Java in my machine. For that, command is java space hyphen version. Here you can able to see the version of Java that is present in my system 1.7.0. For installing Jenkins, the Java is mainly needed. For installing Jenkins, first you need to download the Jenkins repository by using wget command. For that, wget and press enter. Now the repository has been get downloaded. Now download the key. For that command rpm space hyphen hyphen import space the path and press enter. Now the key has been get downloaded. Now install the Jenkins. For that command is yum install Jenkins. The installation process of the Jenkins package has been get completed. Once the process has been get completed, now start the firewall and add the Jenkins port in the firewall. For that command is firewall-cmd -zone equal to public -add -port equal to 8080 /tcp -permanent and press enter. Now the port number has been get added. Now add the service httpd. For that command firewall-cmd -zone equal to public -add -service equal to http -permanent. Now the httpd service has been get added. Now reload the firewall. For that firewall-cmd -reload. Now the firewall service has been get reloaded successfully. Now I am going to list the firewall services. For that command is firewall-cmd -list -all. Here you can able to see the list about the firewall. Now I am going to start the Jenkins service. For that command is systemctl start Jenkins. Now the service has been get started. Now I am going to see the status of the Jenkins service. For that command is systemctl status Jenkins. Here you can able to see the status of the Jenkins and it is running and active. Now we can access the Jenkins web page by using the IP address and port number in the web browser. For that I need to switch over to my web browser. In the web browser, type the IP address of your machine :8080, the port number and press enter. Here you can able to see, here it is showing the, you have to copy the password from the location. For that you have to copy this path and you have to move to the terminal. In the terminal you have to open this path by using your favorite editor. Inside that you can able to see the password. You have to copy the administrator password. Now move to the web browser and you have to paste the password here and click continue. Here you can able to see the getting started page for Jenkins. Here there are two type of installation. One is install suggested plugins and another one is select plugins to install. Now I am going to go with install suggested plugins. Here you can able to see it has started installing. Here you can able to see the process for creating admin user in Jenkins. For that here you need to give the username and password here and type the full name, and here you have to give the email ID and click save and finish. Here you can able to see the message Jenkins is ready and your setup is completed. Start using Jenkins. Click on start using Jenkins. Here you can able to see the admin page of the Jenkins. For managing Jenkins, click on manage Jenkins. Here you can able to see for managing Jenkins here. For configuring global settings, click on configure global settings. Here you can able to configure the global settings. according to your need. After that, click Save. For managing plugins, click on Manage Plugins. Here you can able to see all the available plugins that are present in your Jenkins. If you wish to install without restart, download now and install after, and check now the options you can able to use in Manage Plugins here. Thank you for watching.